I am Razia Sultan, the daughter of Kashmir, the daughter of Yasin Malik, who is the greatest symbol of resistance against Indian atrocities in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. My father, Yasin Malik, representing all Kashmiris, has been struggling against Indian illegal occupation and human rights violations in Jammu and Kashmir since 4 decades. He is struggling for the resolution of Kashmir dispute as per UN Security Council resolutions. Now things have evolved in such a way that the Prime Minister Modi has shackled my father in a cell where he is sentenced to death. Yasin Malik, who sacrificed everything including health, family, wealth for the sole purpose of freedom for Kashmir. He stands as a symbol of resistance against a mighty army. I was only 2 years old when I met my father. I have now turned 11. I miss my father like anything. I crave to hear his voice. I would like to take this moment to send a message to Prime Minister Modi from Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir, that my father is a beacon of light for the cause of Kashmir. This death sentence is a measure to bring down his courage and determination in the Kashmir cause. Let it serve as a reminder that Kashmir stands beside my father. I pray to Allah to bless my father with a long life. I am hopeful in the mercy of Allah that my father will be released from this fake case and will be amongst us soon, inshallah. I would love to meet my father and spend quality time with him. It is now a high time when all Kashmiris must support my father as he dedicated his entire life to the cause of Kashmir. Today, let my voice carry the message for Prime Minister Modi that if my father is harmed in any way, I will blame you. How can such measures be considered democratic? Giving a death sentence to Yasin Malik is a stigma on the face of India. I, daughter of Yasin Malik, daughter of Kashmir, request on behalf of my father's dedication for the cause to raise a voice against this injustice. I dedicate my entire life to the cause of Kashmir. Lastly, I request UN and all international human rights organizations to make it possible for me to meet my father and put an end to this death sentence. Following the footsteps of my jailed father, I reject India's legal actions of 5th August 2019 and express grave concern over Indian attempts to introduce demographic changes and presence of more than 9 lakh Indian forces inside Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Let's raise slogans together. हम क्या चाहते हैं? हम लेके रहेंगे, इंडिया से लेंगे,